Donc, dans les conditions d'aujourd'hui, pour nous en France, comment devons-nous concevoir le dialogue ou les relations avec les autres religions, spécialement les gens du livre, et que répondre aux musulmans qui prétendent que de toute façon, toute personne qui ne se convertit pas à l'islam est par principe vouée à l'enfer, quel que soit le bien qu'elle ait pu faire dans ce bas monde.
So, in the present context, how should we maintain a dialogue with other faiths, and in particular with the people of the book? And what should we tell those Muslims who believe that all non-Muslims are condemned to hell, in any case?
Dialogue and relationship.
Yes, dialogue and relationship.
Nowhere in the Holy Quran we find a verse condemning all humans to damnation of hell. Nowhere. Even when the Holy Quran speaks of al-majus, al-mushrikeen, God says on the day of judgment He will decide what to do about them. The Holy Quran speaks of the ultimate compassion of God and the ultimate manifestation of His Rahmaniyat. Rahmaniyat is generally translated as beneficence. But here I was finding another word more suitable for this purpose. Rahmaniyat, in fact, covers the forgiveness of all sins, if Allah so desires. So the Holy Quran repeatedly mentions even the non-Muslims who follow Moses or who follow Jesus Christ or who follow other books, that if they do good deeds, if they believe in the hereafter, then it is for Allah to treat them with kindness and mercy. They have nothing to fear. Only they should be genuine believers in whatever they believe in, provided that there is no shirk involved in that. So forgiveness of such people is mentioned. Find out the verse I have oft quoted. It is in Surah Al-Anbiya, and I think also in Tahrim, but in Surah Al-Anbiya and also in Surah Al-Baqarah, I think, in Surah Al-Baqarah as well. إِنَّ الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَالَّذِينَ هَادُوا وَالنَّصَارَى وَالصَّابِئِينَ مَنْ آمَنَ بِاللَّهِ وَالْيَوْمِ الْآخِرِ وَعَمِلَ صَالِحًا فَلَا خَوْفٌ عَلَيْهِمْ أَجْرُهُمْ عِنْدَ رَبِّهِمْ فَلَا خَوْفٌ عَلَيْهِمْ وَلَا هُمْ يَحْزَنُونَ. Now, if I have made a mistake in the sequence of the words, I should be forgiven. I'll correct it now immediately. But remember this, that this promise is given by the Holy Quran, not by anything else. Mentioning the followers of different religions, the Jews, the Christians, those who follow other books, if they believe in God and they do good deeds and also they believe in the hereafter, then they have nothing to fear. What is this verse doing here? If every non-believer is condemned finally to death, to hell, so this concept of everyone who is non-Muslim will certainly go to hell is not the Quranic concept. It is, yes. إِنَّ الَّذِينَ أَعُوذُ بِاللَّهِ مِنَ الشَّيْطَانِ الرَّجِيمِ بِسْمِ اللَّهِ الرَّحْمَنِ الرَّحِيمِ. It is Al-Baqarah, verse 63. Al-Baqarah, verse 63. إِنَّ الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَالَّذِينَ هَادُوا. Those who have believed, that is, those who have believed in Hazrat Muhammad Rasulullah